Okay, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's Ella. I'm finally changing my channel name. Who has subscribed to Ella? But it's too like, what's that name? Confusing once you tell your friend, subscribe to her channel, subscribe to Ella. Because my friend named Ella, it's kind of crazy that we have the same name. Was confused when I said, subscribe to my channel name. It's called Subscribe to Ella. But she was like, no, what's your channel name? I'm like, subscribe to Ella. So I have to change it. Guys, help me change it, please. And just tell me on the comments below what I should call it. Today we're going to be reading Pixies by Long Williams. Pigs make me sneeze. Sarah! What do you want to do today? I want, yes. Yes. A what? A ball, a swim, a hat. Choo. Choo. Snuff. Are you okay? I do not know. Choo! I cannot stop sneezing. Oh no. What if pigs make me sneeze? Choo! Choo! Look at Piggy. She's like, what? What do you mean? If there's a question mark, you know what that is? What if you try to sneeze more softly? Sorry. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. What's that number next? Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart from each other. Jared. No. Do not speak. No, do not speak. It is too late. That's too hot. Choo. Oh my goodness. Look at Piggy. Piggy's all of a sudden so big. So Piggy just put this helmet on. Wow. Goodbye. Goodbye. Gerald! Dr. Cat. It's Dr. Cat, everybody. Dr. Cat's, like, what's happening? Gerald's like, Snuff. Snuff. Are you okay, Gerald? No, I'm not. Okay. No, I am not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze! And Piggy is a pig. Piggy is also my best friend. Don't talk when you have a thermometer, please. You're not supposed to. Choo! Choo! Great, now cats make me sneeze too. Thump. I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold. And I saw this book, I was like, wow, you're hilarious. Everyone knew it. Everyone knew Gerald had a cold. Give this a big thumbs up if you thought so. But subscribe if you did. But subscribe anyway. To a cold, you are sick. You are sick, Gerald. I am sick of thank you, doctor. Piggy, piggy, piggy. Great news. Piggy, piggy, great news. I have a cold. Great for you. Piggy got it now too. Because Gerald is sneezing on her. I just edited my first book channel, so I just have to read the message. I'm like, okay, and that was good. So you see this tent that I made? If not, I'll just turn it. So I can't really see it though. Okay, you guys want to find Pigeon? Okay. If you know what pigeon is, then just find the pigeon. Okay. Let's get this a little bit better. And go for you guys. So you'll see better. And thank you for watching my video, my channel. And I read this book today because I love these books. But right now I'm just gonna do an imaginary one so you can think it in your mind, and another one after Mimi. Pigs make me sneeze. I'm going to read half of this. Okay, I'm going to go to the end of that read. So I'm going to read back to them. Good for you. See what happens. Some of it. Good for you. I have a cold. Great news, Piggy Piggy. This is doing interesting. Oh, thank you, doctor. I am sick. You are sick. A cold? I think you have a cold. This is weird. I do not think cats make you sneeze. I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I'm crying tears of I'm crying tears of funniest. Thump. Right now cats make sneeze too. Excuse me. Excuse me. Sorry, that's not appropriate, I think. Choo! Pigs. Piggy is also my best friend. And Piggy is a pig. Pigs make me sneeze. Oh, barely. that the half of the book. No, I am not okay, Dr. Kid. Are you okay, Gerald? Snuff. Gerald? Goodbye. Chew. I wait to I'm sorry. I hope you don't hear the sounds in the background. Speak not, do. No. Gerald, bye. Gerald, bye. For apart be must we then. Friends be cannot be then. Okay. We're through with half of the book. We'll do some more later. Another day. Make sure to do that big thumbs up now. Subscribe. Comments down below if you love this book and if it's hilarious too. Please no thumbs down. Thumbs up, please. Extra thumbs up. And see you in our next video. Bye. Love you.